Hello everyone. So for the past two videos, we have discussed more concepts about SQL, database management system. As the continuation of that, today we are going to discuss about a new concepts called schema modification, that is DDL commands. Yes, come let's get into a video. The schema is usually a collection of objects. These objects can be tables, triggers, views, procedures, etc. Yes, we have discussed about triggers, views, and store procedures also. So, schema modification includes create, alter, and drop statements. So, if you are creating a table or triggers or views or procedures, etc., are called as the um, objects, schema objects. This is called as the schema, and schema modification, which includes the create, alter, and drop statement. Next one is the syntax of create table. Create table employee ID, number, primary. It can be any constraint primary key, employee name, varchar of 50, salary, number, department ID, and its data type. So this is the basic syntax of creating a table. A create is a keyword, table is a keyword, and table name, it can be user defined. And what are the fields you're going to put inside a table, and data types of that fields. So this is the basic syntax of your table. And next one is your alter table. In that alter table, we can have a add column. We can add a column to a table, which it is the syntax is alter table employee. We are adding a new field called email ID. So add email and its data type. So next one is your modify column. Alter table employee, modify salary number 10, 2. And next one is your drop column. A drop column which is nothing but we are dropping any column from the table. That is alter table employee, drop column email. So next one is your add constraints. Alter table employee, add constraints, foreign key, that is department, foreign key, reference department, department ID. So these are the basic things in your alter table. In a alter table, you can add a column, you can modify a column, you can drop a column, and you can add a constraint. And next one is your drop table. A drop table which is nothing but we are deleting a table, a drop table employee cascade constraints. So these are the basic uh, things in your schema objects. So just we'll have a, so next one is your rename table. Rename table which is nothing but we are changing a table name. So before our table was a employee and now we have renamed it to a EMP. Yes, so this is the reference books. So first we'll have a, just a glance of all the concepts what we have seen. We have seen a schema modification, which is nothing but changing something in a table, trigger, view, or store procedures. So already we have seen what is a trigger, views, and store procedures, and making changes, making some operations in this is called as a schema modification. For example, if the table is there, you can create a table. And what is the syntax of creating a table? And next one is your altering the table. To alter a table, you can add a column to a table. You can, you can modify a column of the table. You can drop a column of the table, and you can change a column name of the table. And next one is your dropping a table. Dropping is nothing but you are going to modify the table, delete the table. And the next one is your renaming a table. Renaming table, which is nothing but we are just changing a old table name to a new table name. So these are the basic schema modifications in your SQL queries. So I hope you understand the main concepts in the SQL. SQL, which is nothing but it's a structured query language, and it is used to manage and manipulate the data in the database. So, and main concepts like triggers, views, and schema modification we have seen in this last three videos. So, as the continuation of this, we in the next videos, we'll see more concepts in the SQL and how SQL is used for the developers and the users. Yes, thank you.